Welcome everyone, I'm Ben. I'm the founder of Pirate Skills, and this is a guided tour of our beautiful community. So welcome to pirateskills.com. This is the place where you learn to build, grow, and repeat. This is our mantra. This is how we help founders and marketers build products faster and grow the steady revenue with the help of AI. And building to us means that you vibe code your way to a real valuable product. Growing means that you vibe market your way to a sustainable revenue stream. Repeating means that you build systems that do things over time for you, like automating business processes and parts of the builder and the growth process. So to walk you a little bit around, just scroll down. There you see a nice overview with all of the stuff that we have to you. Free and paid, I'm going to explain everything. So first thing is, if you are local here in Cologne, then you're very welcome to join us for Vibe Coding Cologne. This is how this community started. We were just a meetup 10 years ago, actually, that met at a co-working space called Startplatz in Cologne. And now we are doing monthly offline meetups that you can also join online because we stream them. Also, if you just register for an event, we just send you the recording afterwards. Every quarter we have a hackathon. And this is like the soul of the community. Coming together offline, meeting in real life and exchanging what is currently working and what is not working and building and growing with AI. Then online, we have the Pirate Lab. Pirate Lab is our monthly online session that covers in-depth elements from what I'm writing about throughout the week that I publish to the Captain's Insights, and we discuss those topics. I'm going to go in depth soon. You can just join. It's free. It's a Zoom call, and we would love to have you on board here. Then, as I said, I publish every week my latest insights on what is working for me as a founder that has made a great shift from just being a marketer to also being a builder, and not with a developer background. I studied psychology, and now a lot of things have changed over the last 2 years, and I'm writing weekly on this. You can read them as articles, you can watch them on our YouTube, or you can listen to them on our podcast with Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Now that's almost all of the free stuff. There's one more thing. Everything we have learned through the past years, we have codified in the Pirate Codex. There's a builder part to the codex that teaches you how to vibe code from zero to your first SaaS app. And then the growth codex takes you from that revenue-ready SaaS app to real sustainable revenue. This is more like a knowledge-based resource with a lot of prompts that we are developing continuously with the feedback of the community to help you have completely free access to this new opportunity. But of course, we have to make money somehow. This is where the Pirate Forge comes in. The Pirate Forge is a 12-week program that launches every quarter again. And you join the Pirate Forge for an entire year. Yeah, so even if the field is changing a lot, you can rejoin at any time. There's a complete digital self-paced video course version, and there is a live cohort version. Yeah, if you click on it, I'll have a video down there and a landing page that explains everything in more detail. And if you really want to work with me one-on-one, that is also on the table. Yeah, you have a really exciting and interesting challenge for me, and I'll bring in my 15 years of experience as a founder to your table. Yeah, you can just book a 30-minute call with me and see if we are a good fit for each other. How would I go from here? I would probably scroll down and join one of the events. Yeah, if you're local, Vibe Coding Cologne is excellent. If you are global, join the next Pirate Lab. We pretty much have a Pirate Lab every week. Yeah, when we don't do a meetup at the same week. And that's a good starting point, those two. Or start listening to the podcast and have fun. That's it. From my end, I hope you enjoy the Pirate Skills community, and I see you in any of those programs. Definitely say hi. Bye-bye.